Well, hello there. I'm Tony Thorn, and today I'm so excited. And for what? I can show you. I bought this Godox AD 200 flashlight. And why did I buy that? Well, because I'm in a photography school, and next week we are going outside to take photos, and we need a flashlight there. And only flashlights I have are these Falcon Eye flashlights with cord, so those are not good outside. So now we are going to unbox this flashlight. I'm so excited about it. And this one has a battery operation. Okay, so here's some, I don't know what is it, what it is. It's a paper, instruction manual, and a case. Actually, I have to say, nice case, small one, but it's kind of heavy. I don't know what does it weigh, but it's heavy. So let's see inside. Okay. So here is the flashlight. It has LCD screen here, attachment at the bottom and in the side, so you can have it like this and you can have it like this. Battery goes there and it's here. Okay. And what we have here, I don't know. Oh, here's the thing where you can attach it, for example, in a flashlight holder stick. Well, anyway. Oh, these are going. These are touching each other. So when you are tightening it, you have to open this one so you can screw this. Okay, well, anyway, what's next? Here is the light bulb. This is the flash head. Okay, so let's not open it. Charger for the battery, charging cord, and what is this? Okay, so you put the light bulb in here. There's a red dot, and there also, I think they should be together. Should I open this? I don't know. Maybe. And now Should I do something more? Okay, it's just tight. So, if you can take this off, you can switch this on. But I don't know how to take it off. Let's put the battery on and see what happens. Does it have power? Well, actually, I don't know. Is it there? Oh, it's there, yeah. So now we have the power. And it flashes. And actually, now I'm wondering, should I need some transmitter to operate it with my camera? I don't know. Okay, I got my camera. And let's see if we can do anything with the nipsu. Okay, that wasn't it. No. I'm so bad with the flashlights. Let's see. No. Okay, and now we are heading to the underground because the parking lot is the easiest parking lot is in the underground. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so my good luck wasn't there because the transmitter that I was gonna buy, it's sold out in Finland, and this one it's in their other shop that is in Sweden, in Stockholm. So now I have to wait. They say that it's about 2 or 3. No, I don't know what to do. Let's wait for the transmitter. Okay. So, a couple of days has gone, and now I have it. The transmitter or trigger, how do you want to say it, Godox X Pro C or something like that. And I bought also a new softbox for the flashlight, and well, here's not the picture, but it's the adapter for the flashlight and the softbox. I need to have this piece, so the flashlight goes here, you tighten it here, and the softbox goes here. It's the Bowen's thing. And here you can put it on the leg. Wait a minute. Here, unscrew this, like so, here and there, and that's it. Then you tighten it back and it stays there. The softbox, it's 48 centimeters diameter. Here's nice plate. And here's the softbox. Okay. So I think here it is. Yes. Okay. So it's nice and small. Here's the. I have to check the picture. What is it? It's the white thing. So. Oh, it's the sticker band, or what do you call it? So you just take it there. That's all. Nice. So, here it is. Actually, now I don't know. The connection thing is here. It might not fit on my flashlight. Oh my God. And here's the honeycomb thing. Okay, but the main thing is the trigger, so I can get my flashlight work, but it's used and this is the only thing I have. I don't have the instructions. It takes 2 AA battery. I put the batteries. Oh, here. Power on. Now I have the Godox AD 200 flashlight, adapter for it, the trigger, and a small softbox that I don't know can I fit it anywhere. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Adios.